Hello. Let's practice some useful phrases in English. Are you ready? So, listen and repeat. Asking for information. What's your first name? What's your name? What's your family name? What's your surname? What's your phone number? What's your email address? How old are you? Where are you from? Checking information. Sorry, can you say that again? Sorry, can you repeat? Sorry, can you spell your name? Greetings. Hi. Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. I am happy to see you. Nice to see you again. Good to see you. Goodbye. Bye. See you. See you tomorrow. See you later. See you soon. See you next week. Thank you for listening.